In the given exercise, in all the 4 sentences, there is the same action word which is act. And you have to fill a suitable preposition out of these for, out and on. It means we are going to learn in this video the phrasal verbs of act, which is act for, when do we use act out, what is the meaning of act on. Let's understand. The first phrasal verb here is act for, which means to officiate. This phrasal verb will always be used in formal context. When somebody represents some post or when somebody deals with some affairs for someone, there we use act for. Now you tell yourself in 4 sentences which particular sentence suggests officiate meaning. The answer is sentence number 1. Mr. Bose will act for the director. That means he will take the charge of this post. The second phrasal verb is to act out. To act out means to do acting. That means to perform how something happened somewhere. Now in these all 4 sentences, which one suggests some acting or some performance? Right. So obviously this is the sentence number 4. The children started to act dash the whole incident. That means how the whole incident happened. The children started to do acting about that. That means to act out. The sentence number 4 will be act out. Now the third phrasal verb that we are going to learn here is act on. Whenever we act according to someone or according to something, we use act on. For example, he is doing whatever I said. That means he's acting on my advice, right? So here in all 4 sentences, sentence number 3 suggests the same meaning. She has acted dash my advice. What will come here? On. She has acted on my advice. Now there is another meaning too for act on. The first meaning we have learned, act on means to act according to something or according to somebody, right? But the second meaning says to produce effect. Here, sentence number 2, the medicine will act dash the patient after some time. That means the medicine will produce some effect after some time. So here also on will come. So act on has 2 meanings. The first is to act according to someone or according to something. And the second meaning says to produce effect, right? Now let's have a glance all the sentences in one go. The first is Mr. Bose will act for the director. That means he will officiate this post. The second says the medicine will act on. That means the medicine will produce the effect after some time on the patient. The third is she has acted dash my advice. That means she has acted according to my advice. On will come here. The fourth is the children started to act out the whole incident. That means they performed. To learn more phrasal verbs and more content related to ISC English language, visit my channel. Thank you for watching.